If you're thinking of making Savannah your next home, and you want to be right in the middle of all the action, you definitely don't want to miss the crown jewel of all Savannah neighborhoods, the Downtown Historic District. Established in 1733, Savannah was the first city in the colony of Georgia, named after King George II. Today, Savannah has the largest National Historic Landmark District in the United States. It contains more than 20 city squares filled with dozens of art and history museums, cathedrals, antebellum mansions, stunning parks, monuments, over 120 locally owned gourmet restaurants, speakeasies, and more famous history than you could see in 2 lifetimes. You have a love for art, culture, history, paranormal activity, boutique shopping, festivals, concerts, live theater, outdoor cafes, gourmet restaurants, unique bars, and true Southern hospitality. The Savannah Historic District is where it all comes together. Hey, how are you? Thank you. You doing all right? Good. Doing well, doing well. I think I'll get 3 of the French truffles. If you've ever walked through the centuries-old streets of England or France or Italy, Savannah will feel very familiar to you. Walking through Savannah's historic streets will have you wondering what century you're in and what country you're in. The architecture of Savannah's most iconic buildings spans designs from 3 different centuries and 3 different continents. You'll find Gothic, Victorian, Spanish colonial, and Greek revival buildings and houses immaculately preserved. The historic district is definitely for the city slicker at heart. You won't find any expansive yard space when you buy a home in the historic district, but you do have access to any one of the dozens of open green spaces available to the public. The largest rests right here in the middle of the historic district, called Forsyth Park. Forsyth Park is the ultimate gathering place for Savannah's locals. Here you'll find tennis and basketball courts, 2 children's playgrounds, wide open green space, beautifully shaded walking paths, an amphitheater for concerts and shows, a fragrant garden, and a very popular outdoor cafe. But when most people think of Forsyth Park, the iconic fountain is usually what comes to mind. Now let's talk pricing. Whether you're in the market for a condo or a townhouse, or you want to go all in and purchase one of Savannah's unique antebellum mansions, prices will run at $400 per square foot on the low end and up to $1,000 per square foot on the high end. There's also a wide variety of options when it comes to size as well, with condos spanning around 600 square feet on the low end and the historic mansions measuring up to 10,000 square feet on the high end. There is literally something for everyone. My name's David. I'm a local realtor right here in historic Savannah, Georgia, and I get calls every day from people just like you who are looking to make Savannah their next home. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. I would love to hear from you. All of my contact is in the description below. If you like the content of our channel, please subscribe because we release new videos every single week. Thanks for watching.